Hello, my name is Gabriel and I'm here to enlighten you with the information I believe everybody should know. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about sacred geometry. Sacred geometry ascribes symbolic and sacred meanings to certain geometric shapes and geometric properties. It is associated with the belief that a god is the geometer of the world. Sacred geometry and designs are used in sacred structures such as churches, religious monuments, altars, temples, pretty much anything that is considered sacred. Sacred geometry is certain patterns of geometry that from a spiritual point of view, every single thing in existence follows this certain pattern to become existent. You might not be very knowledgeable about sacred geometry, but a geometry shape that is mostly known throughout people and ancient times is the flower of life. This is one of the most basic sacred geometry shapes out there. This symbol represents creation, and it reminds us of the unity of everything, where all is built off of a certain blueprint. Every single thing in anything follows this certain geometric pattern, from atoms to cells dividing to planets. And if you go more in depth, emotions and even your body follows not the specific flower of life geometry, but it follows certain mathematical proportions. It's pretty crazy how precise things are, and many people just don't really care about how precise things really are. It's something that just goes in one ear and out the other, and if not, you're blinded to it. But that's why I made this video here, is to just bring this knowledge to surface so you could, just be aware of cool spiritual knowledge. Everything in the universe is geometric, and geometric means shapes. I believe if we ever come in contact with an advanced species of any kind, they would use mathematics to communicate, because math and numbers and geometry and shapes and proportions are all the same everywhere. It's like a universal language. But that's all I really wanted to say today. I hope I brought an interest in a subject that you find interesting, and if you want, you could look more into that sacred geometry understanding. But thank you for watching, and much love.